Hi, this is Mark Gupp with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm standing in front of the new home of the Kiwanis Aquatic Facility, just a few blocks from my new listing at 76 Edward Street. So if you are looking to cool down this summer, fingers crossed, this is supposed to be ready for outdoor swimming in July. In the meantime, let's go check out my new listing. I know you're going to absolutely love this classic brick Cape style house. Let's go in and take a look. So as we come in, you've got this nice mudroom area. I love the pine paneling here. And right off the mudroom, you have a wonderful storage shed. Oh, but we're gonna stay in here. Got this nice storage shed for garden stuff and screens and all that outdoor stuff that folks need. And as we come into the kitchen from the mudroom, it's a nicely redone kitchen. Quartz countertops, nice light cabinetry. They're doing a little sanding, so that will be gone when you come and take a look, but wonderful storage space. And it circles around. We'll start leading right into the dining room. Oh yeah, please check out the gas stove. Good sized dining room with nice original built-in cabinets. And you have replacement windows in here. And all these blinds. Good size entry. Oba. Hey, we're going down here first. Come on, let's show them the house. We'll get up there. Got your nice living room front to back. Wonderful circular floor plan. And you can see this is a great four-season sunroom here that leads out to the backyard. We'll go out in the backyard after, but it is a nice fenced-in backyard, and if you have a dog, it's perfect. So why don't we head upstairs? All right, at the top of the stairs, we've got two bedrooms. Oh, I guess, well, let's go on this one first. That's where Oba wants to go. So good home office. You could easily fit a twin bed in here if you want. And right next to that bedroom is this bedroom over here. And you'll see these are painted nice neutral colors, very easy. You can just totally move in. Got closets in all the bedrooms. And then we have a bathroom in here with a tub surround. And we got another bedroom over here, good size. This looks like a, oh, we're not going to go on the bed. Okay, we're going to stay off the bed. Although we can go on there at home, but not here. Good size bed, queen size bed would easily fit in here. Another bath. With a stand-up shower. And, hold on, we got our, no, we are not doing this, Oba. We've got another, they're in the middle of moving, you can see. We've got another bedroom in here with a ceiling fan and good closet space. Why don't we head outside into the backyard? I know you're going to love it. And you've got this great manageable yard. You've got a small deck over here. Easy to mow, easy to maintain. You've got a few raised garden beds. And again, if you have a dog, this is the perfect spot. So if you are ready to buy a house in Maine, give me a call. My number is 207-232-6127. I'm Mark Gupp, the listing agent for this property. Would love to help you find your place. Thank you.